Hi, I'm Thomas representing Schmidt Bender. Today, I would like to show you our new STII turret. The new elevation turret from Schmidt Bender, the so-called STII turret, is the best bullet drop compensator and allows the operator to easily set up their own calibrated turret according to the ballistic of the rifle. This unique bullet drop compensator is a very fast and very accurate dialing solution and allows the shooters to stay on target at different distances. The STII turret provides 6 position indicators marked 1 to 6, which indicates 100 to 600 meters or yards. The position indicator can be moved to any position on the turret according to the ballistic of your rifle. You can easily detach the turret cap with an Allen key. By simply unscrewing the upper part of the turret cap, you can decide individually how many position indicators you want to use. We will show you an example using 3 position indicators referring to distances from 1 to 300 meters, which should be the distance a hunter will use most. After choosing how many position indicators you want to use, you can screw the turret lid to the turret cap. Then you simply put the cap back to the turret base. A solid pin sticking out of the turret base ensures the correct position when assembling the upper part to the turret base. All parts are made of solid aluminum, so this procedure can be repeated numerous times without wearing out any parts. Most hunting scopes are zeroed at 100 meters. This is why we are moving our easy-to-read position indicator to 0. To secure the position of the indicator, the screw within the position indicator has to be tightened. This unique turret design has also a locking function. The indicator window below the turret indicates with the color red that the turret is locked and makes sure that unintentional change of the turret position is not possible. Now, the second and third position indicator, indicating 200 to 300 meters, is moved and secured at the position required by the ballistic of your rifle. This setup is very flexible but still with utmost precision, and there is no need for non-durable stickers or self-made markings anymore. The best of this all is, when using once a while a silencer or interchangeable barrels, it is also possible to use an interchangeable turret cap which matches the modified ballistic of the rifle. This can be swapped very fast and gives you the most flexible and utmost precise dialing solution available on the market. The STII turret from Schmidt Bender. Some say it's simply the best BDC turret of all times. For more information, please visit our website.